Hey guys, hope everyone had a fantastic week. Brian Kennard coming to you guys here today. Wanted to give you a little bit of an update as to what happened this week with CPI inflation news, rate hikes, a little bit of housing information. I plan on doing these every week just to keep you guys informed and maybe information that can help you out with your clients. So as everyone thought before, May 10th, they thought it was the date that the rates were gonna go down and everything. I know Barry Habib and all those guys were preaching that. Unfortunately, they didn't have a crystal ball. They didn't know what was gonna happen with Silicon Bank and how the private sector was gonna react. So that didn't happen, but this week, CPI inflation came back actually at the 2-year low, lower than what everyone was expecting, which is great news. It looks like the rates are trending in the right direction. We got a positive improvement on basis points of about 77 basis points, which equal out to about a quarter to 3/8 of an improvement on the rate, which again is a 2-year low. Another great thing is that they're talking about rate hikes, a rate hike happening at the end of July at the Fed meeting. However, investors have already priced this rate hike into the rates. So hopefully we don't see another rate hike this year. I know there's some talks about maybe another rate hike happening before the end of the year, but I think now that the Fed's seeing that inflation is coming down, they don't want to have another rate hike. They don't want to break anything and put us into a further recession than where we are right now. So hopefully that's good news for the Fed. They're seeing the effects of what they're doing. They're seeing that it's working, and hopefully that tees us up for a good end of the year where you could potentially see more buyers coming out, qualifying, and a burst of refinances happening as well. Another thing that I wanted to mention for you guys is that the national home prices hit a record high in May. Okay, so this may be another sign for sellers to come out and sell their house, right? Right now we're looking into a seller's market again. We're seeing a lot of contracts going in, a lot of competition now, so it may be a good time where the sellers can get a premium on their house. We're not seeing so much in closing cost, in concessions being offered by the sellers. We're not seeing a lot of negotiating on price. And like I said, we are seeing a lot of competition out there again. So for those clients, this may be a good talking point for you to refer back to your clients is if you're on the fence right now, you don't want to wait until rates do go down and now you have an explosion of buyers out there making competition very, very fierce. We saw that about a year and a half ago, right? There's no negotiation on price, there's no seller concessions, right? Everything has to be done even with no appraisal and things like that. So when it's a seller's market, that's what they're gonna be looking at. So as much as we hate saying it, right, but it holds true, marry the house, date the rate. Our team right now is offering free refinances for all of our clients that are purchasing right now. No lender fees, nothing like that, no appraisal costs and things like that, which will help for those people that are getting into the marketplace right now. Also, something else that may be causing this competition is housing inventory continue to lower, with weekly active listings falling by 866 homes to 464,889. Okay, so that's maybe another reason why you're seeing so much competition out there at this time as well. Another talking point that you can bring up to your clients right now is the CARE bill. The CARE bill is still something that's out there right now for those people that hit hard times and they need some type of forbearance. It is something that's still available. Just have them contact their servicer. They may be able to get a forbearance for 3 to 6 months and maybe even get that extended. Just let them know that if they do plan on refinancing or purchasing in the future, to talk to them a little bit about that, because usually after your forbearance, you want to have at least 3 on-time payments in order for you to qualify to purchase or refinance again. I know for a lot of you guys, the market is tough out there, but keep on doing what you're doing. Keep on planting those seeds. What I tell my team is right now, I don't even want you doing loans. I want you doing all those little things that get you to sell the house, that get you to do more loans. Staying in front of your clients, making your calls, holding your events, etc., are what's gonna lead you to that ultimate goal of being able to sell a house or do loans, right? For any of you guys that wanna connect, I know we've all been cooped up inside because of the heat right now. We're open to doing happy hours, having lunch, grabbing a cup of coffee, doing a client engagement event. If you are interested in doing something like that, contact us. We'll be happy to do it and happy to get creative and seeing which other ways we can help you, your business, and your team. Brian Kennard here with VIP Mortgage. Hope everyone has a fantastic weekend. Take care.